Hello, hello. Today is Wednesday, 28 October 2020. Topic Mowgli and performer read pages 6 to 11. And please write the pedagogical word unit. Thank you. Okay, we start.
All the animals in the jungle are having a meeting. Some animals do not like Shere Khan, and they don't want to give Mowgli to him. Bagheera, the Black Panther, and Baloo, the bear, protect Mowgli from Shere Khan because he is just a baby. Shere Khan is very angry. Attila, the leader of the wolves, is a wise leader.
Mowgli can't harm us, so he can come with us. He can help us.
Shere Khan could not do anything about it.
Okay, again.
All the animals in the jungle are having a meeting. Some animals do not like Shere Khan, and they don't want to give Mowgli to him. Bagheera, the Black Panther, and Baloo, the bear, protect Mowgli from Shere Khan because he is just a baby. Shere Khan is very angry.
Okay. The animals are in the jungle and they have a meeting. Tienen una reunión. The animals in the jungle. Some animals don't like Shere Khan and they don't want to give Mowgli to him. Okay, some animals don't like the Shere Khan. Yes, don't like. Entonces, algunos animales no le quieren dar al niño a Shere Khan. And okay, they are the black Bagheera, the Black Panther, and Baloo, the bear, protect Mowgli from Shere Khan because he is just a baby. Okay, the panther and the bear, protect the baby because he is a baby. Okay, and so Shere Khan is very angry. Está bravo porque ellos dos quieren proteger al bebé y no se lo quieren dar. Entonces él se puso bien bravo. Like that, está bravo. Okay, listen again.
Attila, the leader of the wolves, is a wise leader.
Mowgli can't harm us, so he can come with us. He can help us in the future.
Shere Khan could not do anything about it.
Okay, remember Aquila? Aquila is the leader of the wolf, los lobos. He's a leader and he said, Mowgli cannot harm us, so he can come with us. Yes? He can help us in the future. Él dice que no, él no nos va a hacer daño, él nos puede ayudar en el futuro. And Shere Khan could not do anything about it. Could not do anything about it. Entonces, porque yo hablo el líder, pues él no puede hacer nada porque ya pues fue una decisión. Y dice, I can't wait. Okay. Okay, if you have the book, please make this activity. And look and say the jungle, the cave, the cup, el cachorrito, the meeting, and angry. Okay. And please draw the color of the animal, and with a line, you match. For example, Baloo is the verb. Okay, you complete that and color. And the other is the activity. You need to scramble the word. You need to write the correct name of the animal on the lines and answer if it's true or false. Okay, if you have the book, you complete that, please. Okay, continue. Listen.
The wolf are his parents, and the cubs are his brothers and sisters. Mowgli loves the jungle, and he is very happy. He learns the languages of all the animals. 10 years pass. Baloo and Bagheera are Mowgli's best friends and his teachers. They talk to him about the dangers of the jungle. Baloo teaches him how to swim, climb, and do many things.
Okay, back again.
Mowgli grows up in the
Sorry, I'm
jungle.
sorry. Back the page and listen 2 times.
So Mowgli grows up in the jungle. Father Wolf and Mother Wolf are his parents, and the cubs are his brothers and sisters. Mowgli loves the jungle, and he is very happy. He learns the languages of all the animals.
Okay, the Mowgli grows up. Él fue creciendo in the jungle. Entonces, ¿quiénes eran his father? The wolf. And mother, the wolf. And his parents and the cubs are his brother and sister. Yes, the brothers and sisters are the cubs. Mowgli loved the jungle. He loved the jungle. And he is very happy. Look, he's happy. He learns the languages of all animals. Entonces, su papá era el lobo, la mamá era la loba y sus parientes eran los cachorritos, eran sus hermanos y hermanas. Y Mowgli estaba feliz, la amaba la selva y él era muy feliz. Él aprendió el lenguaje de los animales. Okay, continue.
10 years pass. Baloo and Bagheera are Mowgli's best friends and his teachers. They talk to him about the dangers of the jungle. Baloo teaches him how to swim, climb, and do many things.
Okay. 10 years pass, 10 years, and he's a boy. Baloo and the Bagheera was Mowgli's best friends. Ellos dos eran sus amigos. And his teachers. They talked to him about the dangers of the jungle. Le hablaron de lo peligroso de la selva. And Baloo teach him how to swim. Él le enseñó how to swim, climb and do many things. Climb, escalar, and do many things. Okay, this is the activity for today. And we finish page 11. Okay, my students, have a good day.